Hello, my name is Luis Santiago. I'm the production manager here at International Granite and Stone. I'm just going to give you a quick tour as far as our process from beginning to end so that you have a better understanding how the process works. Our process consists of 4 easy steps. First off is your in-home consultation, then templating, then production, and to finalize, installation. Let's dive a little bit more into this. The first step of our process is an in-home consultation by one of our design reps. Our design rep will show you all the different products that we offer. The design rep will take a general measurements of your countertops so that we can get a quote put together for you. The second part of our process is templating. At this point, your project manager will be giving you a call to schedule an appointment for us to go out and do your digital templating. Once the template is completed, then it's submitted to our programming department so that they can review the drawings and make sure all the seam placements, sinks, so forth and so on are completed in your drawings to ensure no issues happen. Once we order the material, it gets delivered to our facility, and at that point it goes through a process of quality check. After the quality check, it goes through our process of vimming. All it is just a digital image of your slab so that we can lay our template over it to make sure that everything fits on the slab and the way it's going to look. Once programming is done, it moves into production, where all the magic begins. Then it goes into our CNC machines, which we have water jet machines that do all the cutting. From that point, it moves into our next CNC machines, we do all the edging. Once it comes out of our CNCs, we start getting ready for installation. Once that's completed, you get to enjoy all the new beautiful parts of your home. If you want to learn more about templating, production, install, just click on the link below down there and you can get all the information that you need. Thank you so much for taking time and watching our video today. I hope this helps you throughout the whole process and enjoy your beautiful countertops.